How to fix slow printing in Windows 11. If your HP printer shows symptoms of slow printing when connected to a Windows 11 computer, follow these steps to improve print speed. Step 1. Reset the printer. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord. Next, disconnect the other end of the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the wall outlet first, then to the printer. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. Print a document and observe the printing speed. If the speed is still too slow, continue to the next step. Step 2. Turn off Quiet Mode in Windows 11. Note: Quiet Mode is not available for all printer models. On your computer, open the HP Smart App. If you do not have the HP Smart App on your computer, you can download it from 123.hp.com or from the App Store. Select the affected HP printer, then click Advanced Settings. Click the Settings tab. Under Preferences, select Quiet Mode and then select Off. If prompted, enter the printer administrator password or the PIN found on the printer label. Then click Save. Print your document. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 3. Check the printer preferences. In Windows, search for and open Printer and Scanners. Select the printer. Scroll down, then click Printing Preferences. In Printing Preferences, select the Paper Quality tab. In the Paper Type field, select Plain Paper if it is not already selected. Next, adjust the print quality to speed up printing. For HP inkjet and LaserJet printers, go to the Print Quality field. Select Draft or Normal if one of them is not already chosen. Print a page. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 4. Print with both ink cartridges. Open the Cartridge Access door and ensure all cartridges are properly installed. Check the ink levels and replace any empty cartridges. Print your document again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 5. Uninstall the HP print driver and use HP Smart. Disconnect any USB cables from the printer. In Windows, search for and open Printers and Scanners. In the list of printers, right-click your printer and click Remove. Follow any additional prompts to remove the printer from your computer. Next, restart the computer. Once your computer restarts, go to 123.hp.com. Enter your printer model and click Next. Click Install HP Smart to download and install the free HP Smart app. After installing HP Smart, from the app home screen, select Add Printer and follow the prompts to add your printer to HP Smart. Your printer should now print at normal speed. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.